Active review is basically anything that's not just like passively absorbing the information. So you can like use these as kind of like these 3 questions here as kind of like guiding questions for your active review. So one question is, what does like some concept mean and why is it important? Another way you can do this is think from the question of like, how do I explain this concept to somebody else? And finally, how does this concept connect to other concepts we learned in class? And there are a lot of like ways you can implement, you know, the active review technique in a way that like incorporates these kind of questions. So instead of just reading your notes, you might make flashcards, and that will test, do I know what this means? And then can I say why it's important? You can also try to force yourself to explain a concept to a 5-year-old. Explain a concept as if you're explaining to a 5-year-old. So like, can I break down this concept into much simpler pieces and teach somebody else? Another thing you can do is like self-testing, similar to flashcards, but like a little bit different. Self-testing could look like this: like you identify some keywords in what you're studying, and then see if you can come up with the concepts behind those keywords by yourself. Another thing you can do to do active review is like summarize something or mind map something or outline something, but do this with a goal in mind. So for example, you want to, one way you could do this is like if you have two separate lectures about some topic, you can have a goal in mind about, I'm going to connect what I learned in these two lectures and try to summarize the notes and draw those connections together, for example.